Ready. Driver door must be open. Okay. See, the lock and unlock we should be pressed together. Okay. See. Okay. This remote connected. I'm going to add one other remote. Okay. We'll show. Okay. Two remote. I have program in this car. Okay. I'm going to press program success. Okay. This is Sienna 2015 model Japan. Okay. Coming in this shape. Okay. His original remote in this shape. Okay. His original remote. Now I have programmed this two remote. I will show is this working or no. Okay. Okay. Working one remote. Second remote. Working. Okay. This both remote. This was original. Okay. Original working properly. See. Okay. Working properly. Okay. This is Sienna 2015 model Japan.